I can tell. That broke. I'm guessing that's a steering, I'm not sure what you call it, a steering linkage. And the other side's about ready to break too. Alright, Remy, I'm going to need you. I needed to hook this onto the bumper. I need every inch I can get. Use the baby one. I'm not picking up much weight. Let's see. Part off, which is what's broken. Not really sure what its name is, but it's broken. And I got my little grandson Remy here help me. Doesn't it? That certainly looks like it's welded to me. Or does it? Is that part of that, or is that? I think that stud goes all the way down through, and it looks like there's a nylock there. If I could. So there must be something that connects to that. We gotta pull the other side off. All done, all broke.
Yeah, all broke. So you broke.
Broken. Because there looks like there's a pressed in, where this one here, if you put the ball in there, it doesn't want to stay in there, or do you gotta pound it in? I'll try pressing it. We'll press in there. I don't know if it will. I don't want to do this, but looks like there's something missing to me. See how the ball is set into some sort of where this side, I don't know. Obviously it doesn't go in as far, but am I just missing something, or did it just pop out? Am I just supposed to pound that in? That doesn't seem right. So what I don't know is if I need this whole linkage with these already on them, and if these are a factory installed seat, or if I can just press this ball into that hole. Well, it's already broke, right? So I can't really move it anymore. Seem to. Unless I just take a sledge to it. So it went in. I don't think it's right though, because I probably increased, you know, the diameter of that hole that keeps the ball in place is probably too big now. Where this one is. I mean, I could try tapping a screwdriver, try to, you know, deform that top side to try to keep the ball in place. But it, you know, it's, until then, this ball just wants to pop out in the right angle. So let's go see what Mr. Google says. So it's been a few weeks since we last looked at the tractor and the little issues it had with the steering linkage. Did order a new linkage for it. Found it on Amazon. I think it was less than 35 bucks. It's not factory, but it looks identical to what the old one is. And what happened on this side here, that little linkage right there, it snapped out of a little recess that the little ball joint has. You can probably see it maybe a little bit better on the new one. It's covered by this rubber grommet, but that pivots and rotates to give you some flexibility when you're steering. And this whole assembly here popped out of a recess on this rod here. So for a short-term fix, I pulled that linkage off and put the ball back in the hole and took a straight slot screwdriver and sort of pinged it, just sort of seating it back in there. And it's actually held together now for 3 mowings. So like most things that I do, I'll probably just wait till it breaks again before I fix it. We'll see how long this thing lasts. It might last forever, who knows. But this is the new linkage for it. If it does break, I'll be able to repair it. It's pretty simple. You just got 2 nuts. Pull that nut off, and the other side is identical, and you pull the old one off, put the new one on, and that's about it. There's not much to it. So, but when it does break, you don't have a whole lot of steering. So if it happens again, I'll be doing that out in the yard, I'm afraid. So I figured I'd just give you a little update on that and where I'm going to be at with it. I'm not going to fix it now. I'll just wait till it breaks, and if it does, I'll do another little video. But for now, that's about it for the tractor. Thanks for watching.